Hi guys, first I would like to congratulate all of you for selecting this course. Let me give you a little bit background of myself. Right now I'm working as assistant professor at Dongsu University, Busan, South Korea. My area of research is cloud computing and network security, and I have published more than 30 research papers in this area. I also did my PhD in South Korea. I will be teaching you cloud computing and Internet of Things. If you don't have any basic knowledge of cloud computing or Internet of Things, then don't worry. We have designed this course in such a way that you can learn from basic and still able to cover advanced topics in this area. We also make sure that you can get some hands-on experience on real-time application which can be really helpful in your company. I will be happy to share my research knowledge also, so which can be helpful in future, because I think you may be aware that nowadays most of the companies now moving from service to research. I believe it's really a great effort to make sure that you can achieve your goal, whatever you are looking for. I joined this group because I believe in them, as they have strategically worked on curriculum, and it's really a great team of professionals. I can only assure one thing: if you can coordinate and give your 100% to this team, I think there is no one who can get between you and your goals. I wish you all the best for future and looking forward to see you soon. Goodbye.